Happy New Year 2024. 11 bad habits to break in 2024. As 2024 approaches, many people are considering which new healthy habits they could adopt into their daily lives. But it could be just as beneficial to consider which unhealthy habits to break. Number one, always running late, procrastinating, disorganization, fidgeting, smacking gum, slouching, phone obsessing, nail biting, winning, gossiping, perfectionism. So here are 5 simple steps to break the bad habits. Number one, know when your habit shows up. Identify habit-prone situations. Record how often and where it presents itself. Number two, know the consequences. List the advantages and disadvantages of keeping or changing your habit. Number three, know an alternative behavior. Develop a competing better response that you can employ instead of falling back on your old habit. Number four, know your goals. Make a plan with short and long-term goals and reward yourself when you reach them. Number five, know you are human. Don't beat yourself up if you fall back into your old ways. This is a natural part of change and can take several attempts to get rid of this old habit. And tell us, which habit do you want to break or adopt in 2024? I'm Dr. Nadeem Sajjad Raja.